My previous job was in the communications ministry, where I have had a good understanding of how things have changed over 2015. Today we are in the 5G era. It's already on, and as far as the industry is concerned, nobody is talking IT. People are talking IoT, and that's good news for India, because you have a huge IoT ecosystem which is built in India even at start. And that actually is good for not just for the IT industry, but good for manufacturing, and within manufacturing, good for auto. Obviously, I mean, as I spoke this morning, electric vehicles, I mean, this is something about which both the industry as well as the public is fascinated about. But there is a disconnect in the social development agenda. People expect electric vehicles to bring down costs. And coming from the logistics sector, I expect electric vehicles to bring down logistics costs drastically for the road sector, making it comparable to the cheapest even waterways. And that's what is the expectation. Maybe it might be too much to ask, but we can be somewhere near about if we are able to get our ecosystem planning right. Yes, certainly. I mean, these are all things which is doable. It depends upon how much of resources and interest and we put in. But otherwise, these are all low-hanging fruits, and if at all we are not doing it, it is because they don't make a huge social development impact. But in terms of capability, I don't think we are lacking in either resources, integrity or intention. Oh, superb, I must say. I mean, in logistics, we are talking multimodal. And this ETAuto summit is not just an ETAuto summit, it's multimodal. You are talking smart, you are smart futuristic, you are talking manufacturing, and you are talking auto. I mean, it's 3 in 1. People who are there, I think, are in for a feast. And that might change the way they look at things, or they perceive things, and the design. A lot of designers are there. They might do it differently after this conference.